Welcome to our complete finance Excel guide on how to start investing in the stock market with just $1,000. Today, we dive into the world of small investments and big opportunities. We will be trading live today, December 21st, 2023, with a modest account. Investing in the stock market can seem daunting, especially for beginners. However, it's not as complicated as you might think. If you've ever wondered how to get started with a modest sum, you're in the right place. Let's explore. 6 most important points to keep in mind in order to succeed in the stock market. 1. Understand the fundamentals of investing. 2. Set realistic goals. 3. Trade various assets that are liquid with low volatility. 4. Risk management. 5. Investment strategies. Firstly, understanding the basics of investing and the concept of the stock market is crucial. The stock market serves as a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are exchanged. It essentially acts as a hub for investors and companies, enabling the trading of ownership stakes in these companies. Nowadays, accessing the stock market for buying or selling shares merely requires an internet connection and a computer or mobile device. Grasping the fundamentals involves comprehending the essential. Company performance. Stock prices fluctuate based on various factors, primarily influenced by company performance, industry trends, economic conditions, and investor confidence. Positive results often lead to an increase in stock value, whereas negative news can cause it to decline. Set realistic objectives, investing successfully with clear, achievable goals. This chapter helps small investors. Define objectives. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound investment goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a down payment. Prioritize and assess risk. Understand your financial needs hierarchy and align risk tolerance with short-term conservative or long-term higher return investments. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review goals based on financial changes, market conditions, and personal events, allowing flexibility for adaptation. For beginners, we suggest trading with these assets. It is essential to trade various assets, but we recommend highly liquid assets such as the SP 500, US 30, EUR USD, UK 100, USD JPY, or stocks of major companies. We advise against trading cryptocurrency until you have a solid understanding. Next, you need to understand your risk tolerance. Can you withstand major fluctuations in your investments, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Setting clear goals is crucial. When investing, you should set a maximum 2% loss of your capital in a single trade. In one day, we don't recommend losing more than 4% of your invested capital because the market can change, and on a bad day, we can't allow it to knock us out of the game. If our content is providing value, subscribe, like, and get yourself this valuable video. Now, for our dear subscribers, we will be live trading with a modest $1,000 account to demonstrate that it's possible to make money if you follow our recommendations. We will showcase the IC Markets platform, demonstrate how to set stop loss and take profit orders. We closed the trade manually because the price was 5% away from reaching our take profit, and the volatility indicator gave an alert. See how we made $5 in 3 minutes. This is how winners play, those who make a living in this industry. They manage risk, and when hard times come, they may lose a significant portion of their capital. But on other days, they recover and keep winning. We'll talk about how to define your investment goals, whether it's to save for the short term or to plan for the future, and how that $1,000 can go a long way toward achieving them. At this point, we want to say that you can't expect to earn a monthly salary with a $1,000 investment capital, because you would have to. You'll notice that we're entering with a low lot size, following our sacred rule of not risking more than 2% of the capital in a single trade. Let's review the trade executed today, December 22nd, 2023, the date this video is uploaded, with the USD-JPY Forex pair. When you know how to make a living from this industry, your quality of life will improve. We've emphasized managing risk because we've experienced the pitfalls of euphoria, which will be the subject of another video if you request it in the comments. Let's discuss an example. The market is immense, with over $6 trillion entering and exiting each day. Regardless of your experience or capital, it's like an Olympic swimmer mistakenly believing they're very skilled, venturing into the vast ocean's middle without assistance while swimming. It's certain they won't survive. Once you've determined your objectives and risk tolerance, you can start building your investment portfolio. You can sell and buy CFDs, indices, stocks, the foreign exchange market, among others. If you're new to the channel, we'll later create a video explaining the main financial assets in the market. Research is key. Look at a company's financial statements, read up on its future plans, and keep an eye on industry trends. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can help reduce risk. This means spreading your investments across various sectors and companies. Consider index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for diversification. These are baskets of stocks that track the performance of a specific index. As a small investor, you might not have a lot of money to start with. Don't worry. Many online brokers allow you to start investing with as little as $100. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Don't rush. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Always have a plan. Know when you're going to buy and when you're going to sell. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic when the market dips. The most successful investors are patient and remain calm during market fluctuations. Keep learning. The more you understand about the stock market, the better your decisions will be. There are many resources available online. Stay updated. Keep track of your investments and the overall market trends. Always review your investment portfolio. Are your investments still aligned with your objectives and risk tolerance? Remember, all investments come with risks. You could lose all your money. So never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't be disheartened by losses. They are part of the learning process. Use them as an opportunity to improve your strategy. Finally, seek advice. Speak to financial advisors or join investment clubs to learn from the experiences of others. Investing in the stock market can be rewarding, both financially and personally. It can help you build wealth and learn about the business world. But remember, it requires time, patience, and discipline. So start small, keep learning, and stay patient. Finance XL recommend this trusted broker IC markets with several features ideal for beginners. You can trade small lots, ideal for trader with low capital, and is regulated with the FCA. If you prefer to take a little risk, the broker will leverage you up to 500x1. In the description, we will leave the link to have a discount and a reduction in your commissions or PIPS differentials asterisk. 1. 500. Subscribe and don't miss our next videos. Take advantage. 001. Ideal for small accounts, so you could take the right risk. Trade of microlots. Plus 2,250 products to operate. Below is the link to the IC Markets broker to open a free demo account with real environment. If our content is providing value, subscribe, like, and get yourself this valuable video.